Let's continue playing with Air Wars 3. Okay, so we have the WAS functionality, and this time we're gonna play in the Antarctic. We're gonna choose. I'm gonna pick the red team. Okay. Okay. Oops. Whoa. This is white. This is very bright, so we need to focus on the blue ones. Let me see. Just press turbo. Okay, you're not going away. Let me see. We need to go into the blue base and take their flag, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna try to destroy this blue plane or aircraft. Man, this is really difficult to watch since this is very bright. Okay, it's going down now. Okay, it went down. Alright, so let's go to the... Okay, there's another one here. I might as well shoot this dude. Yeah, I don't want to be pretty much grabbing the flag, and I want to go after these aircraft and then start shooting them down. Yeah, but the Antarctic is very bright right now, so you cannot differentiate. So let me see. I'm gonna... Oops. Yeah. I wanna destroy this dude first of all. Alright, so, and what is my name here? So I am Noob65. Oh, I don't have any kills? Okay. I'm gonna press the function button and then V, so I can... This is default, racing, scenery. Maybe this one, okay? Okay, so now it looks better. And yeah, let's... What happened here? Okay. Okay, now it's much better because we are at night, so... Okay, I already assist with that kill, so... Oh, you're playing turbo as well, so let's go for that. Okay, I'm just following this dude, so let me see if I can destroy him. Man, I hope they put a skill to my name, so... Whoa, yeah, I did it. Let me see, I don't know if they put that kill to my name, but... Now I am in the red team, so let's grab the blue flag, so I don't know where exactly I'm in, kinda... Okay, I can see some blue aircraft here. Okay, and let me see. Okay, this is the flag. Whoa, alright, so I did it. Now I need to go into, but first of all, you know what, before I go, I'm just gonna start destroying. Whoa, I think I did it. Nah, not yet. I wanna destroy this understood before I arrived to the red military base. Oh, okay, so it becomes brighter now. Let me see. Let's see, can I do it? I don't know. Let me see. I might as well destroy this aircraft right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna destroy this aircraft, so let me see. But it's taking a lot of shots, so. Yeah, I need to pretty much go to the red military base and pretty much give this blue flag, but I'm just pretty much entertained here shooting down this plane. I'm not letting this dude go away, so. Okay, I did it. Man, they have to count that kill to me, so let me see. I see the base. The base was way over here. Yeah, let me see where it was. Okay, I cannot. Okay, I can see this. Okay, so this is the military base. Oops, I don't wanna crash right now, so. Okay, so capture red flag. That's good. Yeah, that's a good one. Now. There's more blue ones, more enemy fighters, so I can see that flag over there. Oops. Yeah, I don't wanna go to what happened here. So where's the flag now? Okay. Okay, I can see their military flag right now, so I need to grab it. But first of all, yeah, there's not much resistance like the other. Oops, I don't wanna crash, okay? And I'm just gonna go back and let me see. So nobody's following me, that's fine. Okay, so where's the military base now? Okay, I see it. Whoa! Yeah, I almost crashed. Okay, so I have 1 kill and 2 flags. Okay, that's good. Let me see. So where's the? Okay, I can see. Okay, I can see those blue planes. I'm just gonna go after them. I think that's more entertaining to go after their fighters. Okay, it's pretty much on the other side. Now I can see. Oh, okay, so now he's shooting back at me. That's good. So we have a fight now. Okay, so he grabbed the flag, I guess. But I mean, he's gonna pay dearly for that. It's not gonna be easy. Oh man, you're not. Nah, come on. I need to follow this. Whoa. Okay, so noob 2. I have 2 flags and 1 kill. That's fine. Let me see. I need. Okay, so we also have the tank of 2 and air wars 2. Okay, so now we are in. Well, okay, so we're still in the Antarctica. And man, let's just change with the cinema. No, I care. Vivid, default, racing, scenery. I don't know, maybe just leave it like that. And okay, that's my flag to protect. So where's the blue ones? Okay, I can see one. Okay, destroy it. Yeah, I have to have destroyed that dude. There's no way he could have survived that one. Yeah, it's a little bit complicated with the color of the Antarctica. It's very bright, so I cannot pretty much differentiate. But oh man, this dude got my flag now, so yeah, it's not gonna be that easy as you think, man. No, you're not getting away with that. Okay, it's night now, so that's good. Let me see. Yeah, I'm kinda too far away now, so this is gonna be difficult. But still, I have to try it, so... Oh, okay, so oops, yeah, he's flying low, that's a good strategy. Let me see, I can... Oh, I lost it? No. Okay, I lost that fighter, so... Let me see, I'm gonna press turbo with W. Okay, so now I don't see anybody here, so I'm all by myself. Okay, found you. Yeah, he's flying low. Okay, oops. Yeah, he got me as well, but yeah, I'm not letting go of this dude. Whoa. Yeah, man, I lost him. Where is... Oh man, I lost him. Damn. Okay, I see him. I'm showering with just pretty much missiles, but I don't think it's gonna be enough. Let me check it out. Can do it, can do it. Okay, he's fighting back now. I can do it. Bien. Good, I did it. So, okay, there's another one here. So, you know what? Somebody else to grab that flag. I'm just gonna destroy these blue airplanes. Okay, so I see you over there, my man. Let me see. Oh, you're gonna grab my flag as well, eh? Well, that's what you think. Yeah, that's a good strategy, trying to fly low. So he's trying to make me crash into those eyes. Let me see if I can destroy this. Okay, I think I got you. Oh man. Whoa. Yeah, he almost got me there. Well, I almost got myself because I was gonna crash. And let me see, where is this dude? Okay, so I don't see him anymore. I guess I'm gonna have to grab the blue flag, and I don't see it. I just see the red flag. Okay, I can see one enemy here. Where it was, so okay, so this, oh no, that is my base. So what is the enemy now? Okay, I can see him now. I need to use turbo. Pretty much I have to press W to catch him up. Damn, and I lost him. Yeah, it's quite difficult to follow up with this. Now that's the red one. I don't see. Okay. Oh man, he's just coming way too fast. But there's no complaining, so let's see if I can. Oh man. Yeah, I think I have an idea how to do this. Let me see. Yeah, he's very fast. Alright, so yeah, I have 1 kill and 1990 points, so 4K total. Yeah, that's fine.